Hi everyone, welcome back. This is the start of part 4, where we're going to start sewing our angel. And so thank you for joining me once again. I'm glad you're here. And let's get started with where I am right now. Let me get you situated. So what I've done is I've taken the material that we cut for the dress, and all I've done is take my clips and I've turned it under, because I want to put a little bit of a hem before I add that ribbon. And I'm right here to this edge. I'm almost finished, so I thought I'd finish it with you. Just turn it under. It's turning under about a ½ an inch. I was measuring, but I only have a little distance now, so I can show you what I'm doing here. See, it's turned under, and then I'm just clipping it, just to hold it in place while we sew. Now I've reloaded my machine with some purple material, purple thread, because I want to match it, and I've made a bobbin to match that. Okay, so my color here is a real nice purple. I'm just going to start anywhere it won't. Doesn't really want to be everywhere at all, because what did I tell you before? We want to always start everything in the middle of the back. So there's our line from before, where I made the line show you that I would use that as a reference. So I'm going to start right here. And I'm just going to sew this hem. So let's start going now. Just a straight stitch. Making my clips on as we go around. Very nice little straight stitch. Don't worry about the edge being curled a little bit, because it really doesn't matter. That's the point when you have a round and you curl it, it's going to have a little bit of a, and plus we cut it and it's velvet, it's slippery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue on sewing around, and I'll come back when we're almost finished, and then we'll go on from there.